Assalamualaikum to Dr. Safiza. We are from Group 12, want to present about subject BITP 3483 Geography Information System, Flood Risk Mapping for Resilient Communities in Terengganu, Malaysia. Alright. First, I would like to introduce our teams, which is Siti Nurul Nur Hafiza binti Razaimi, Nur Farah Eliana binti Muhammad Jasmi, and Nur Alifa Eliana binti Nur Azlan. So, I would like to present about introduction. Firstly, I would like to present about introduction, which is flooding is a major issue in Terengganu due to its geographical features including river, coastal area, and low land making it highly vulnerable during the monsoon seasons. Second, which is understanding flood cause and identifying high-risk areas in crucial for mitigation. Third, which is use Geographic Information System, which is GIS, to analyze spatial data and historical flood records. And fourth, help identify flood-prone areas and contributing factor, which is land, use, elevation, soil, and drainage. So basically, it's to support proactive flood mitigation, improve urban planning, and enhance community resilience against future flood. Okay, next. About problem statement, which is have three: affect resident livelihood and farmland. And then second, understanding flood cause and identifying high risk areas is crucial for mitigation, which is high risk is Setiu in Terengganu. And then third, which is put financial strain on the local government. And then for the objective is develop detailed GIS-based flood risk map for Terengganu. Second, identify recurring flood pattern and high-risk zone. And then third, about it disaster prepared urban planning and infrastructure development. Okay, next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, hello, my name is Eliana and I will present about our methodology parts. So for our first step is to define the study area, which could be a city, watershed or flood-prone region. This helps us focus our efforts on area most vulnerable to flooding. Once the study area is identified, we begin collecting relevant data such as geographical, hydrological and meteorological information to build a comprehensive understanding of the region. Next, we move to data preprocessing and suitability analysis. Using advanced GIS tools, we clean and organize the collected data to ensure accuracy. We then conduct a suitability analysis to identify areas that are most susceptible to flooding based on factors like elevation, rainfall patterns, and land use. Next is phase 3. In this phase, we perform spatial analysis and overlay mapping. By integrating various data layers such as flood history, soil type, and infrastructure, we create detailed maps. Additionally, we implement predictive modeling to forecast future flood risk under different scenarios such as increased rainfall or urban development. And in phase 4, based on our analysis, we identify high-risk zones that require immediate intervention. This insight helps us recommend targeted mitigation strategies such as improving drainage system, constructing flood barriers, or relocating vulnerable communities. Next is phase 5, which is deliverable and reporting. To communicate our finding effectively, we develop a GIS-based flood risk map. This map visually highlights flood-prone zones, making it easier for stakeholders to understand the risk and take appropriate action. We also prepare detailed reports summarizing our methodology, findings, and recommendations. Last but not least, in phase 6, we validate our result and refine our mitigation strategies based on real-world applicability. This involves gathering feedback from local authorities, communities, and experts to ensure our solutions are practical and effectively. So next is data collection. For this project, we rely on data from trusted sources. Specifically, we use data provided by the Kerajaan Negeri Terengganu and data.gov.my, Malaysian Open Data Portal. These sources provide us with accurate and up-to-date information, ensuring the reliability of our analysis. That's all from me.
Alright, let's move on to the outcome and conversation. Up to 30% of flood cases in this area occurred in the Kemaman district, 20% in the district of Kuala Terengganu and Situ, 10% in Dungun and Besut, and 5% in the district of Marang and Hulu Terengganu. Okay, according to statistic, the Derus River in Situ district has experienced flooding up to 5 times, while three other rivers, the Dungun, Terengganu, and Kemaman rivers have reached 75% due to flooding 4 times. This is in line with the average of areas that experience flooding frequently. Okay, Uh, the map is displayed here. It features green areas that were flooded between 2000 and 2010, blue temporary evacuation centers in the shape of diamonds, and pink rivers that flood frequently based on the average for the years mentioned. Okay, next. Here this map can be viewed more clearly by zooming in. So we can see green, blue, and pink here. Okay. This is our dashboard, and as you can see, there is a description that provides information about it on the left here. Additionally, the map and scale at the conclusion show the frequency of floods. The number of floods is on the top side here, and the flood data by district, which comprise 7 districts, is on the bottom side, which is we have Setiu, Marang, Kuala Terengganu, Dungun, Besut, Hulu Terengganu, and Kemaman. Okay, so lastly, the conclusion. Flood risk mapping is a crucial tool for mitigating the impact of flooding in Terengganu by integrating GIS technology with historical flood data and spatial analysis. This study provides actionable insight to guide disaster preparedness and risk reduction strategies. The outcomes of this project aim to protect lives, minimize economic losses, and promote resilient communities in Terengganu. Collaborative effort from local authorities, urban planners, and community members will be essential to implementing this recommendation effectively. Okay, that's all from our group. So, thank you.